In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn interest on Bitcoin with blockchain.com. I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. I really hope you enjoy this video today, and if you do then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. If you're a blockchain.com wallet holder, you may be interested to hear that blockchain are now offering a competitive interest rate to users who deposit and hold Bitcoin with them. Your custodial interest account allows you to earn interest on the funds that you keep in your wallet. And all you need to do is deposit Bitcoin from your wallet into your interest account and then leave it in there and they'll do the rest. So how does it work? Well, the interest is calculated and compounded daily and you'll be paid out monthly on the first of every month. When you make a deposit into your interest account, you'll be shown the interest rate and I'll show you how to get started in a moment. And at the time of this recording, the rate is currently at 4.5%. But this rate may go up or down, depending on the market conditions while your funds are in the account. And if it does change, blockchain.com will keep you informed via email. And you can also check out the current interest rate for your account in the account details too. If you want to withdraw or deposit more anytime, you can do so. And there's no fees for this account. So can everyone get interest accounts? Well, users do have to be gold level verified, which involves providing your government-issued ID, portrait photo on the top of the silver level requirements. And there's also a minimum deposit of $300 worth of Bitcoin to get started. And you must also be verified in a supported country to be eligible. And at this time, residents of the United States, Canada, and Japan are not eligible to earn interest in their accounts. So let's open up an interest account. So if we navigate to Earn Interest at the very top of the screen here, and if you're not already gold level verified, you'll have an Upgrade Now button so you can verify your identity. However, because I'm already gold level verified, I don't have this button available. Now the next thing you'll need to do is click onto the Earn Interest button. And from here you can either deposit or buy Bitcoin. Now I already have enough Bitcoin to be able to deposit, so I'm going to do it that way. And as it states here, deposit Bitcoin into your interest account and earn up to 4.5% interest annually on your crypto. And it's stating here the amount that I can deposit in Bitcoin from this wallet. And you can obviously select the different types of Bitcoin wallets from this list. And it will also show you the available balance in here. And then you can then type in the amount that you'd like to deposit. Now, just so that you know, as I said, that is $300 or £240. So you can select the minimum deposit. Then you can use the interest calculator below to see how much you'll earn with the current interest rate. And this is for different periods of time. So you can look at long term over 1 year, 3 years or 5 years. Or you can switch that to short term to get an idea daily, weekly and monthly. You'll then need to go ahead and tick the boxes to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy. And it also states here that by accepting this, you agree to transfer £240 plus network fees from your Bitcoin wallet to your interest account, and an initial hold period of 7 days will be applied to your funds. So what this basically means is that if you want to withdraw, you can do so at any time, but it has to be after this initial hold period, which is obviously that 7 days. So I'm just going to tick that box and then click onto Confirm Deposit. And then what it does, it shows me an overview. So at the moment, it's currently waiting for my deposit to be confirmed by the network. And once it has confirmation and their team has reviewed it, it'll be displayed in the interest account history. No action is currently required from me at this stage. And once the deposit clears, my balance will update and I'll start earning interest. So in here as well, it gives me my summary, so it shows me what the current status is. It tells me my next interest payment, which is currently nothing at the moment. It will show me my accrued interest this month. And this will be the interest earned month to date. And the total interest earned during any month will be deposited on the first of each month. We then got that initial hold period as we discussed, and the interest rate too. So we'll just wait for that to be confirmed. So your wallet will automatically initiate a transaction to your new interest account with an appropriate network fee for a quick confirmation. So I've just refreshed my account and I can see now that my total balance has now removed that £240. So if I now just go to my Bitcoin wallet, so if I go across the left and click onto Bitcoin, I can see here that transaction. And I can see that I was charged £3.24 for that transaction fee. In fact, I've lost around 1% just in these fees. And these fees are also applicable to withdrawals too. But as you can see, my transaction is now confirmed. So if I head up to earn interest, my amount is still not showing in my interest account. So I guess I'm just going to have to wait a little bit longer. So 4 hours after I made my deposit, I received an email stating that blockchain is currently processing my Bitcoin deposit into my interest account. And I can also see a history now showing up on screen. Then, 5.5 hours later after my deposit, I finally can see my balance showing up on screen. So please be aware that it isn't necessarily straight after those confirmations have gone through, and it then does take some time to show up in your interest account. But I now also have this button called View, so what I'm going to do is click onto that. And it shows me my Bitcoin balance in here. It tells me my total interest earned, which is obviously at 0 at the moment. It tells me my next interest payment date, and that's the 1st of next month. It would then tell me any accrued interest that I'll have this month. It tells me my initial hold period, so that's the 7 days, and the interest that I'm on. And then I have the ability to deposit, and I can deposit further funds into this interest account if I wish. And at the moment, my withdraw button is currently greyed out, and that's because I have the initial hold period of 7 days. However, after that 7 days, you can go through and withdraw if you wish. And a transaction sending funds from your interest account to your wallet will be initiated as soon as you confirm your withdrawal. And as I mentioned earlier, you would obviously be charged those transaction fees as well. And then at the bottom here, you have your history. So this will show you anything in terms of deposits or withdrawals. So hitting here at the moment, you can see my deposit, you can see the date, you can see what wallet that's come from, where it's gone to, and then it gives you the amount, and you can view the transaction as well, which will then take you to your Bitcoin wallet. So that was a brief run through of how you can earn interest on Bitcoin with blockchain. As I said, it's great that you can earn interest, and 4.5% sounds great, especially compared to some banks. However, these transaction fees are pretty high, which does seem a little bit harsh at the moment. Also, you can get into a little bit of a panic when you don't see your funds appearing in your account. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.